How to unblock someone in Ludo King. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to unblock someone in Ludo King quick and easy. First of all, launch open the Ludo King game on your device. Once you're inside the home page of Ludo King, go ahead and tap on the social tab at the bottom right corner and click on Friends from the top. Inside Friends, you'll see blocked option on the top right. Tap on that and select the unblock button right next to the person you want to unblock. Now right after you do that, the person will be unblocked immediately. They can interact with you again in the game. So that's it. There you have it. That is how you easily unblock someone on Ludo King. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.